What's going on, guys? I'm the Maha Mechanic, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace all the bulbs in your headlights in this 2004 Porsche Cayenne S. So let's get into it. Pop the hood, and then right underneath you see this symbol for the headlights. I'm going to pop these up just like that and set them out of the way, and then probably can't see down in there too well. Right down in there where my finger is pointing. Right down there, as you can see, there's a rod. It's a 1/4-inch rod. I'll put your 1/4-inch socket on it, and then also on here you can see it has a lock unlock twisting section. You want to loosen that. Keep loosening it until it pops your headlight out, just like that. And then you'll be able to take it, and there you go. That's how you remove your headlight. You can see the mechanism on how it actually removes the headlight. It just clips into a little rod on the bottom, and then you see right there is where I was twisting that. So yeah, now we can go ahead and do the other side and then get our new bulbs in here. So we're going to be installing new high beams, low beams, parking lights, and turn signals. So yeah, to replace these, there are two main compartments for them. There's this main one that holds the parking light and the main headlight back behind here, and then here and here, this is going to be your turn signal bulb. This one's going to be your high beam bulb. So yeah, to remove these, it's pretty simple. Just push that to the side, push that to the side, undo the seal, and take that off. And then in there you can see our headlight bulb, and down in there our parking light bulb. So these are easy to remove. Pull on it till it comes off, and then if you can see here, this retention mechanism, you kind of push down and pull this way, and then it pops right up, and there's our old headlight bulb. So let's replace it with the new one. So all of these bulbs are from Lasfit. Plop the new one down in there, just like that. It's not going to go anywhere. Flip our retention mechanism back over top of it, just like that. Plug it back in. Now for this one, it's a little bit different. There's a tab on the top side right here. You want to squeeze, or on both sides, you want to squeeze those and kind of, can't really show you, but squeeze those and pull up, and it comes out. As you can see here, there's a tab there and a tab on the other side. It releases these kind of fins right here and right here. And then these just pull out. Or you can replace it with those other LEDs. Let's take the new one, throw it on in there, and then reinstall it into the hole and push down until you hear it click. There you go. Now we can reinstall our cover. A note to self for you guys, it's not going to install if you have that all the way down. You're going to have to feed it underneath like that. Kind of goofy, but it is what it is. And then slide it up like that, slide it up like that. And now we can move on to these ones. You twist and keep to remove. That's your turn signal bulb. So replace those as well. These ones, you just push down and twist. They come right out. And then twist the new ones in the same way. Throw them in and then twist them down. And then for the high beam bulb, it's less friendly. You're going to remove this dust cover here. And then it's down in there. So you kind of have to fish your fingers in there, get the electrical connector off. So might need 2 hands for this. There we go. Electrical connector is off. Now, same thing as the other headlight. Push it to the side, down into the side. It'll come up. And then you can fish your fingers down in there and grab the bulb. Which it might be helpful to do it with a set of pliers. Install our new ones. There we go. Bring your clip back down. Electrical connector out of the way. Yeah, they were definitely not very nice to us with this one. All right. Take your dust boot. Put it back on right there. Make sure it's sealed all the way around and inside there. And boom! Now our headlight has all new bulbs on them. Now we can go install it back into the car. So if your bulbs are polarity sensitive, which I think these are, your black is going to be your power wire and your brown is going to be your ground. So just keep that in mind. So as you can see, there's 2 slots at the bottom here and 2 fins here and here. You're going to line those up as best as you can and then should slide back. Make sure there's no like side to side play as you're siding it back, just to ensure that you're in there, because it is possible to get it on the wrong side and then you accidentally break something. So there's also these side fins go in this channel right here as well. So you want to make sure to line those up as well. Not sure if this will go in without everything being lined up, but don't want to try. Yeah, there it goes. So push it in and then take your 1/4 inch. If you look here again, you can see to the left on the driver's side, so lefty-loosey here is gonna tighten up your headlight, so keep that in mind. Don't just keep spinning it one way, it'll keep pushing it out. But hit the screw down on in there, and then it should suck it on in and go until it don't move no more. Good. So this is what it looks like before with just the marker lights on. Obviously that one's burnt out, so let's go see what they look like after. So as you can see here, these are just the parking lights, so let it adjust for you. That's just what the parking light looks like. A lot brighter just having parking lights on, which is really nice. So here's what everything looks like right now. It looks like my headlight has actually, oh, there it is. As you can see here, missing that running light right there. I don't know if you can see down in there. Headlight restoration video to come, but you can see this one's on. If I go over here, that one's burnt out. So that's partially the reason why I'm doing this. But yeah, this is our before. I don't think you're going to get a really good comparison for the beam pattern or whatnot, but there you go. That's what it looks like from the front. So now let's see what it looks like with our LEDs on. A lot brighter. And you could see the beam pattern. I don't know if you could tell, but it shines up a lot more on the white car out there. And then see the the high beams. Wow, yeah, those are pretty bright. You can't see any of it, it's just the, see there, hit it again, yeah. So, those light up nicely. Last thing to check, hey, you turn that light. Last thing to check is the turn signals. So let's see what those look like. Wow, those are bright as balls. So, and this is what the turn signals look like. They're pretty damn bright. This is just the right turn signal, and it's lighting up half the house. And here's what the hazards do. So both of them on. Sorry to those who are trying to sleep, but they're pretty damn bright, we'll say. So that's nice. See what they look like with our headlights. Wow. There you go. These are all of our bulbs replaced on the front end now on this 2004 Porsche Cayenne S. So, if you found this video informative, please be sure to like and video, subscribe to the channel for more. And remember, no matter your experience or your skill level, keep on improving.